guys? I'm Brendan. Today we're gonna be doing a science experiment using water and oil and food coloring and Alka-Seltzer. Alright, so the first thing we have to do is to put the water inside the glass. Okie dokie. And now we put the oil. And always remember, guys, water and oil do not mix. I think that's too much. We put way too much oil in this container. There is just half left. This is way enough. You see how the water and the oil is apart? Like the water is half and then the oil is half. Isn't that amazing? Alright, next we put the color that we want. So since blue is my favorite color, I'm gonna pick blue. Or you can mix two colors together. I think I want to mix two colors together, I think. Yeah, so since turquoise is also my favorite color, I'm gonna do blue. This is not blue, this is green. Silly me. I meant to say I'm gonna pick green and blue. That makes turquoise. If you search it up on Google, it's gonna say blue and green makes turquoise. Alright, so let's put blue in first. 1 drop of blue, I don't know how many drops, but I'll just put how many I want. I think that should be enough. Now for the green. I can't really count how many I did because I just put whatever. Right. I don't know how many I put all together. Comment it down below how many drops of these two food colorings I put all together. How many is it all together? Now we have to put Alka-Seltzer. This is the last part. Wait, but first we have to wait till the food coloring. Guys, look at this, guys. Look at it. It's all blue. Whoa. I think we have to wait till the coloring comes, I think. Or let's just put it in. It doesn't matter, right? Okie dokie. Let's put this thing in. Let's see. Whoa! Look at it, guys. Look. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Maybe you can keep it for a decoration or something. Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't know it was gonna do that. It's fuzzing out. Oh my goodness. Let's just put it here. I did not know it was gonna do that. I did not know that. Woo! Now there you go. That's what happens when you put the Alka-Seltzer in. Let's put one more because that's all we have. Or we can put these two more. Yeah, let's do it. Alrighty. Woo! Guys, let's just wait till it stops. So you can do this at home too, but always ask an adult for help. Let's just wait till it stops fuzzing. Whoa! You can keep it for a decoration. I am not joking. You can keep it for a decoration. Because I saw this video on Facebook, so I decided to do it too. Alright, let's put 2 at the same time this time. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe it's gonna come up. That's gonna be cool, right? All we have to do is just put it in and find out. Here we go! Oh no, oh my goodness. Oh jeez, it's falling! Oh my god, it's falling! Oh jeez, oh my jeez! Oh, look at it, guys! It's falling! Oh, look at that! Oh, you guys have to put 1,000 likes on this video. Whoa. This is so cool. Maybe we should do this every single day, right? Yeah, we should do this every single day. Woo! Did you see how it just came out? Whoa. That's so cool. What if we put 4 at the same time? Then that would be so cool. Can we do it? Alright, she said no. Maybe we can do 4 next time. And also, we're going to be doing this tomorrow too, so we can do it every day. And also, I get to decide when I want to do it. I can decide if I want to do it every day or not. Whoa, look at all those tiny balls floating around the water. Well, that's the end of today's video. If you did enjoy it, be sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and smash that notifications on so you don't miss the bar, and tell me on the comment below that you subscribed. For now, I'm just gonna keep watching this. Bye!